Okay, today, children, you will be taking your Unit 3 District Checking for Understanding Assessment, and you will be taking it in Polaris just like you did for your CA 1 and 2. So, here's how you are going to get to your test today. You're going to log into Rapid ID like you normally do. Then you're going to click on the Polaris icon. Once you reach the Polaris icon, then it's going to ask you for your username and your password, and you're going to just simply re-enter the same username and password that you normally do for Rapid ID. And once you've done that, then you're going to come down here and click the login button. Okay. Then here it's going to say click the Take Test link under Ongoing Assessments. And the assessment that you all will be taking today will be the Unit 3 Reading Summative Assessment. That is the name of the assessment that you should see when you log in. That should be one of your drop-down choices for today. Okay? So, you are going to be using the bubble sheet that you all did again when you took your CAs. There is a bubble sheet where you need to record your answers and submit them. So please make sure that once you are working your way through your assessment, those of you that have a paper copy of it, please make sure that you are transferring your answers into Polaris onto the bubble sheet just as you did before. Please make sure that if there is an open-ended question, that you look down at the bottom of the bubble sheet to see if there's an area for you to type in your answer. Now, I'm not saying that there is an open-ended question because I'm not sure what's on the assessment. However, I just wanted to remind you that please make sure that if you have an open-ended question that you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the bubble sheet in Polaris to make sure that you've added in your open-ended response or what have you there. Okay? So we are going to begin our assessment here shortly. So in the meantime, I would like for you to just make sure that you have gotten your breakfast taken care of, you've gotten your desk area prepared for testing. Okay, I want you to get your mind focused today, and I want you to remember that good readers, all good readers, read at least 2 times. Think about the strategies that we've talked about in class. When you look at those questions, stop and ask yourself if you truly understand what the question is asking you. Okay? And then I want you to start working your way through eliminating those answer choices that you know are not going to answer the question that was asked. Okay? I believe in you. I know that you will do well. Please do not rush. Take your time.